Now see resonant oscillations. When a body oscillates with its own natural frequency with the help of an external periodic force whose frequency is equal to the natural frequency of the body, the oscillations of the body are called resonant oscillations. We have done this relation previously, just A is equal to f naught upon m into omega naught square minus omega square. Omega naught is the natural frequency and omega square is here actually the frequency of the oscillation due to driving force. So, f naught can be written here 4 pi square m nu naught square minus nu square. Now, if you take here nu naught is equal to nu, then this amplitude will become infinite. It means this amplitude, infinite amplitude actually corresponds to the infinite energy system, but due to the many forces acting on the body, its energy keeps on decreasing with the time. So, its energy cannot be infinite. Therefore, its amplitude A, infinite amplitude is not possible. So, what happens in this case, amplitude keeps on increasing and in the resonant oscillation amplitude becomes very large, but it is not actually infinite. There are many examples related to this. In the sonometer you can take, when you do this experiment, in the sonometer there is a wire and here the two wedges are placed here and a paper is placed over here. In the sonometer experiment what you do, you take the tuning fork and you strike with the rubber pad and keep its stem on the sonometer. Because of that vibrations are set up, sonometer wire start vibrating. As the resonance condition is obtained, the paper placed on the wire between the two wedges flies off because of the large amplitude of the oscillation.